No, bro, think about it. A van on the moon. Very gloomy Monday morning. And it rained last night, and it's supposed to rain again today. So I'm out here at the Urban Puddle because everything's kind of high and brown. So yeah. Yep. Kind of cold, and it's got to be at least like 10 already. I mean, I'm not exactly sure about that, but the high today is 63, 64 degrees. It's barely, I don't even know, it feels like 45. I'm freezing. Hey, look, there's a rooster tail. Should I get that? I don't really care about rooster tails very much, but I gotta add that to the stockpile. Nah, I'm gonna leave that. I'm just gonna leave that be. Das rooster tail. You know what I've noticed? That the last couple of packages of Bandito bugs that I've bought don't have any scent. So I don't know if they've changed that and they don't use any scent, because they used to smell like licorice, but now they don't smell like anything. Yeah, they just smell like rubber, plastic. So when did they start doing that? Don't get cheap on me now, Bandito. I don't even like to say the name of the company, to be honest. I'm so disappointed in all that. Like, where the F is One Rod? And I know he's probably crazy or whatever, but still, like, come on, you gotta keep him on the show. And like, I mean, the whole situation with the rest of the guys, I mean, it was so awful. Everything was awful. I'm glad to see Yak Pack still out there pumping out some good quality content, and like, I think he's working with some other companies now and stuff, and that's awesome. So what happened to Norm? Like, for real? What do I got? Do I have fishing line? Whatever. Like, I see you looking at me, bird. I see you looking at me. Trying to eat my face. Fish on. Here's a little fella. Man, that was a very light bite. Like, I wasn't even for sure if anything had it. That's interesting. That was super interesting. That was just kind of like, I'm going to set the hook to see what happens. Get a little fathead. He's icy cold. On the Bandito. Thank you, sir. Have a good day. Little bass face. Well, I caught something. That's cool. I didn't expect that. He was probably there because the wind is pushing into there, but he didn't really bite it. And I don't know. That was a very weird situation. All right. Watching the paint dry, have ya? Just been mucking around. Mucking around. How about yourself? Just mucking around. Good thing. Well, and I'm pretty sure I've said this in some of my other videos, is one of the best things about the Bandito is to not Texas rig it. So even on the package, it says to Texas rig it. Don't do that. Use a shaky head and hook it weedless. If you hook it weedless, now you can punch through crazy cover over and over and over, and it won't get snagged. And you can still catch fish. I mean, the last 2 fish I've caught, there's no way I could have done that with a plastic worm, because I'm literally throwing it in the sticks. Oh, dude, that is a Ferrari. Is he coming? He's coming into the park. I'm pretty sure that's a Ferrari. I saw that dude a couple of days ago. It's like an old school Ferrari from like the 80s. Oh, listen to that. Getting on it. Yep. Yeah, that's a black Ferrari with like race windows in it. I don't know much about those old ones. And I'm guessing it's from the 80s. You better watch out. It's cold out. The roads are cold. The blacktop is cold. That car has real power. I think it's like a race car. I saw him out running around a few days ago. I'd like to know about that car though. That thing is sick. Fish on. It's a little one, but he's fighting hard. Oh boy, he's spunked up. He was tight in that cover. Okay, well, if I punch into the sticks, I know I might be able to pull a couple of little ones. As soon as it popped off of the limb, he bit it, and I just barely had him too. Well, they're getting bigger. Good day, sir. I have seen a lot of people trespassing this year. You know, I'm very aware of a lot of those situations that I put myself into, as far as, am I trespassing, am I not trespassing? And like, I always lean to the law-abiding side. The stuff that I've been seeing this year is just blatant trespassing, and that it's really wrong and it's messed up, man. Like, you don't get on people's land, don't get on people's stuff, you know. Don't touch other things that aren't yours. Don't go up to somebody's house. Don't do that. You'll get shot in the face. Some of these people think it's a game. It ain't no game. I mean, and I'm almost siding with the people, you know. Don't be knocking on no random doors. Not in 2025. You don't do that no. Crazy hanging in this tree, and I probably won't be able to get it. The last time I tried to get something over my head, I lost it. It bounced into the water. There's a micro glide bait up there, and it looks hand painted. It's tiny too. I don't know. I'm gonna try to get it. If it falls in my boat, I can catch it. It broke off at the bait. It's up really high. It looks super cool. I don't think the hook is sunk in or nothing. It's just hanging on there. I probably need to get on this side of it and lift up. Yeah, like that. It's so high up I can't get it off there. It's super cool looking. I want it. Yep, it fell in the water and it sank. Yeah, so that's what always happens. because it fell in the water and it sank. Well, I'm sure like there's hundreds of baits just like right there. Well, I tried. It's got to fall directly into the boat. And it's pretty rare. Every once in a while, it want to fall directly in. I tried. Come here, you. I don't know about cleaning this one up. It seems to be pretty vicious. I mean, I guess I'll do a good deed. Jeez, what a mess.